Hello again. Right, so today we're going to do this pollen filter, cabin filter, Quinton Hazel. That's very dusty, that's been lying about for a long time. I find rather strange. Anyway, so I believe it's in there somewhere. And I have kind of prepared myself for the fact that I have got 7 mils. So let's get these 7 mils out. There's one, there's 2, there's one hiding in there. I'm not sure where the other ones are. Somebody said it's in there. Is it in there? Oh God. Hoop-dia! Oh. Well, there we go. That was pretty straightforward, wasn't it? Oh, that's broke. I never had that off. I've never had that off, so that's obviously been somebody else. Maybe somebody else has done a cabin filter. Let's see how we got one here. Can I get this off single-handed? Oh, I can. So these are 7 mils. 7 millimeters. It's a bit windy today, so I apologise if you're getting any wind noise. But Scotland, plenty of wind here, and I don't mean the hot air coming out my mouth. Oh, he tells funnies. Right, there's 2. And get the wee one away in there. Why didn't they put one away in there? I do not know. I mean, there's probably plenty of videos on here of somebody doing this, but any Scottish ones? Ugh, maybe I should change my name to Scottish Astra Guy. Look at this, I'm getting good at this. No, I'm no. But if it helps, it helps. Right, so, come on. Refitting is a reversal of removal. Right, that's 5 I've took out, is that it? How'd you get it out under there? What's happening here? Oh! Oh, what's as easy as that? Oh, there you go. That's how you get the glove box out. That is how you get the glove box out of an Astra K. You just take 7 mils out and lo and behold, out it comes. So, is this going to be like absolutely really easy peasy lemon squeezy? I'm going to assume it's in there. Should there not be screws on that? Why do you not want to come off? Oh. Surely no. Surely it's not going to be as easy as that. Right, bear with me 2 seconds to get a wee hook. I've got a wee hook. Also I'll have a wee drink of iron brew. It's not iron brew. It's not iron brew. It's iron brew. Right, anyway. Back to the job in hand. Hook! I have a wee hook. So, hey, there's something in there. Oh God, it's got to be full of everything in it. A wee hook and do that. Because my girlfriend is complaining that there is a smell in here. Oh, turn that smell when the heater's on. Oh God, look at that. Oh my God, look at the state of that. What else have we got hiding in here? Got an airbag up there, somewhere. Airbag up in there. That's the connector for the airbag. Yellow connectors tend to be for safety related items like airbags and seats and things like that, pre-tensioners and stuff. So let's get this out of here. Let's see if this is... Come it, wherever you are. Oh, it's in a bag. It's in a bag. Does it look the same as that one? Looks the same, doesn't it? Right. Goodness gracious. I'll sit you down there just a wee second. You can sit there and stare at sat-nav. Come here. Right, so and then that goes in there. Oh wait a minute, airflow, what means airflow? I would imagine that the air flows from the top to the bottom, innit? I would imagine the air flows from the top to the bottom. So, sorry, I was too busy showing something else. So that basically just slides in there. I can't believe how easy this is. The one and the other motor's a bit of a pig. And then that clips in there. Puts that back in. Lots of wires and fuses. That's your heater motor. Wires for the heater motor. Right, so that's that. Up we come. And then put that back in there. Honestly, can't believe. Use our feet. Hold on. Sit you there. No, we won't sit you there. Iron brew made in Scotland from girders. Come on, get back in. Why for you not wanting to go back in? What is the issue? Come on! Pig of a thing. Right. There we go. Right, okay. There we go. Back in. Put a wee screw in there just to hold it in place. Well, you sit and look at the bolts. So, let's get the 5 screws back in. One in there, 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 one in there. Pretty much easy, was it? What if I sit you here? The phone's just going to fall down on it. I know I'm recording on my phone. It's a bit breezy today. 7mm screw in there, and another wee 7mm screw in the bottom. It doesn't want to go back in. You must go in. Hips. Hips, yeah. One in there. Come on. Can't believe how easy that was. I'm sure the one in the other Astra is a nightmare. In fact, in the red Astra, the old Astra, I took that out and I took it out and I didn't bother refitting it. Because what? No! But you're away in there. Hold on, 2 seconds. That one kept falling off. So that'll do. That's tight enough. That's tight enough. That's tight enough. You don't want to go too tight. But then again, you don't want them rattling either, don't you know? And let's get this thing back in where it should be. See, that doesn't want to get in where it's meant to go. Because I noticed this was actually hanging out. Oh, that's better. I've got this kind of OCD thing where I need to do things twice. So it's like, it's not quite, it wasn't quite in there properly. There we go. Well, yeah, that was pretty straightforward, wasn't it? So, just basically pull that off. 7mm, 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 7mm. Pull a glove box out the road. Pull the flap down. Pull the cabin filter out. Put the cabin filter in. Ta-da! Anything else we can look at while we're here? Airbag. I think that's us. I'll get the sat nav, which is pretty much redundant, and associated junk. For people that live in warm countries, this is an ice scraper. Red. It's a red one. This thing here that I don't think, do I use that? I don't use that. I don't use that, I don't know. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful. Anyway, that's just... don't know what happened there, screen went black. Hope that was helpful. Seems pretty straightforward. There's a bus just drove past me and it says SPT My Bus. SPT stands for Strathclyde Passenger Transport, but at a quick glance it looked like it said Spit My Bus. Anyway, I'm going for a well-deserved cup of tea. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.